As you could tell, dagdag pa tayo ng skins. Mamaya, add mo ako Facebook, tapos paano ng 4 to 6, tapos padala ko sa'yo yung ano mo, yung mga wrestling mo, para ma-appreciate mo ba. Pero ito yung system natin, tulungan naman eh, brotherly lang naman eh. Ha? Next time, baon ka para hindi ka maano. Nice, Sean. Pucha, Sean, snappy oh. Ah, Shane pala, Shane McGregor oh. Putang ina. Habang wala si Kikos, ikaw na muna galaw baliw ha. Galaw baliw. Raj, timingan mo, bagsak mo nga ng isa. Wala ring mouth guard oh. Wala ring mouth guard oh. Dampi lang ha. Paamoy mo ba yung gloves? Ay, Sean, good oh. Muy silip na si Sean oh. Sakto silip lang ha, baka magkakuliti ka. Hey! Very nice. I like this. Hey, Sean. Oh, Sean, laki improvement, oh. Mix it up, Sean. Shane pala, Shane. Hey, nice one. Mix it up, Shane. Nice one, ganda nun, no? Very good, Kebs. Hey. Ganda, good exchange, good exchange. Hoy, tenga Rog. Go lang, ang ganda na exchange yung dalawa. Bangga ng tenga, Shane. O, tiktik mo yung tenga mo. Kabilang kamay, frame mo yung baba niya, Shane. Kaya may frame yung, tulak mo yung ulo niya. Kaya mo tulak yung ulo niya, Shane. Tulak mo yung ulo niya. Nice one, nice Hodge. Sige lang, kaya ron lang. Pass mo yan, Shane. Good side mount, Shane. Galing oh. Nice one. Nice one. Hey. Oh, establish mo muna. Nice one, Rog. Oh, posture up, Rog. Si Shane nakakatawa oh. Ang dami improvement oh. Sige, dikdikin mo. Pass mo yung leg, Rog. Op, ingat sa triangle. Take the back. Nice one. Oh, nice one, Shane. Hey, may highlight na si Shane, no? Posture mo na, Shane. Pansin mo pagka take down, position agad, proper posture. Well, umbaga luhod agad, proper squat. Kasi if you're not properly squatting or establishing base, kahit maka take down ka, maano ka lang, may hagis ka lang ba? Nice, Shane. Most improved, oh. Shane, no? Laki pinagbago. Nice one, Sir Mark. Oh, patayan langaw. Carry on lang. Utang ina. Mad Mark. Lapit na, friends. Nice one, Sir Mark. Sarap. Di bale, gentleman's game. Pucha, parang pirata to si Sir Mark, oh. Fucking pirate. By the way, guys, may consensus sila. Work the side mount, Shane. Work the side mount. Good. Proper posture. Push that knee. Last 30 seconds. Naku, abulin mo. Anong masakit? Walang masakit. Emotions lang. 20 seconds. Go. Push. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Go. Kevin, last 10 seconds. Go. 10 seconds. Nice one, Shane. Rog, sige, lubusin mo na.